I'm gonna show you how to add a playlist to your YouTube channel. Say for instance, you got a lot of videos like I do, and you want to put them in different playlists so that when people log onto your channel, they can just click that playlist and it'll continue to play all of those videos. Or maybe you just want to separate them for yourself. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your channel, and if you look under here, you click videos, and you see all my videos I got. And right under videos, you can click playlists. So once I click the playlist, you see I got a few playlists which I separate stuff on Facebook, how to do different things in Facebook, PowerPoint, and my car alarm, building a Wix website. So I want to add a new one. We're going to do a new one. Just go up here and click new playlist. And I'm going to just call it test. And once I type it, I hit create. And then you want to go to your edit right here. Once you click edit, and if you see I don't have anything in there, and what I want to do is go over here to where it says add videos. And you can search YouTube and find videos. Let's just say for cars, and you can do a search. And you can add any of these videos, just click on them. And if you don't want to add it, just click it again. But I usually, or you can type, if you know the URL of that video, you can just paste it here. But I usually add my own videos right up here. See, all of these are my videos. So I'm going to just add a couple of them, these two. Just click on them, click, and then hit add videos. And as you can see, it's added to the playlist. And you can go and do a lot of other things. You can edit the videos. You can share this playlist with somebody if you hit share. Or you can just edit, and just a lot of other things you can do. If you want to change this name, just move your mouse over it and hit this button right here. We're going to call it test. Test again. And just click off of it. It'll automatically save itself. So if I click up here, back to my home page, and I go to my playlist down here, you're going to notice that it's added. Say for instance, if I want to delete it, I can just click on this test, and I hit edit. And I come up here with these three buttons and click that, and it says delete playlist. And it's not gonna permanently delete your videos, it's just gonna remove the playlist. So you hit delete, it's clear. So if I go back to my channel and I click on the playlist, you're gonna notice that it's gone. And you can come up here and sort your playlist how you want it, oldest to newest, or A to Z. So these are your playlists. So you can share them or do whatever you want. But I keep mine separated and so that I can know what's in each one of them. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Nope.